What up, guys? Right now, I'm about to go to the dealership, get my car fixed, because for some odd reason, the heater's not working. And it's really cold. Really, really cold. But, about to get that fixed, about to get my oil changed. I'm about to see how that goes, man. And thank God for waterproof phones, because it's raining really bad outside. So, thank God for that. But, where's my car at? I'm about to go look for my car again there. Take it to the dealership, get it fixed. Get something to eat. Probably call it a day right there. You know, a little light vlog. Something light. Found it. But, I'll get back to y'all, man. Y'all stay tuned. Huh?
Did you want us to lose your car?
Yeah. You know, I just want to see it one more time. You know, I'm about to cry.
I know. Is there any...
I'll be back for you. Mozzie, I'll be back for you.
Hi, baby. Is there anything you need out of it? Or do you want me to grab anything for your keys, like house key, anything along those lines?
I honestly don't know. Can I go check?
I'll have to go in there with you.
Okay. Just want to make sure.
Yeah. Okay. So the only stipulation that we have for this car is that you bring it back with a full tank of gas.
Okay.
You have no mileage, nothing along those lines. You know, destroy it, that type of thing. But just bring it back with full tank of gas when I call you and let you know that your car's done. And we'll go from there for you.
Okay. Is it some specific car? Or
Yeah,
something
it's
like
gonna be the CX-5 straight down there. Because CX-30 hasn't been closed yet.
Which one? What color is it?
The gray one.
The gray one?
Straight down. Yep.
That thing, that truck?
No.
That van?
It's not a van.
That look like a van.
That's an SUV. The small one is a crossover.
It look like a family car.
I mean, kind of, but if Philip closes out the other CX-30, you're like talking to
If this was like a trade-in, this was a trade-in.
You want the small car next to it, the little white one?
No, that's okay. I can take that little
Sure.
the van.
It's not a van. It's not that. The Ford Wave. Did we schedule it?
Hold on, I'm about to show y'all. That's a van. That's a van. No way.
So we're gonna put you in the white one.
The white one?
Yeah.
They the same. They look the same.
So the white one's a CX-30. The gray one is a CX-5.
Okay.
CX-30 is smaller. Gonna help him. So I'll get everything fixed up. Let me finish with him, and then we'll get you taken care of. Okay?
Okay.
Make me question family vehicles. He's just gonna go check the fuel tank and the mileage on it.
No problem. I'm not gonna really do nothing. I'm probably just go home.
That's fine.
I'm taking my car away from me.
Yep. We're gonna fix your car. I want to talk about.
Yeah.
Our plan is to fix it.
That's a nice little truck, car. It's hard.
It's a crossover.
It's a crossover between a truck and a van and a car.
No, between a car and an SUV.
Uh,
Okay. Francisco, let me add your military discount to this, okay?
Okay. Hmm.
We're looking at $97.40 today.
That's bad.
$97. Quick signature at the bottom of here, right down there. And you know that you're taking the car. Again, like I said, the only stipulation is that you fill up the tanks and you bring it back.
Thank you. You said a signature? Right?
Yep, just a signature right down there.
Okay.
Perfect. This one's going to be yours for your records.
Oh, I got something to do?
Nope, that's yours. If you want to sign it, you can. That's the key, and it's the white one that we pulled in here, and then we're going to back your car out so that you can grab some stuff out of it, okay?
Okay.
So let me back that out for you so you can transfer some stuff. And I'll get you need taken care of. Mike? Can we...
It's my car right now. You're taking my car away from me. Oh. It's nice in here. Ooh, look at it. Oh, want me to show you? Want me to show y'all? Hold on. I'm about to show y'all. Look at it. Look at it, boys and girls. It's pretty nice. Look out.
How are you enjoying your mom?
Hollow. Okay. No, it's not. I'm just joking. It's not my car, y'all. Damn, you really got my car away from me. This is what I gotta drive right now. This is what I gotta drive right now, man. Do a little thumbnail real quick. There we go. Okay, we need to take my car. I'm sad. And this is what I gotta use. Okay, what? Okay. People gonna be like, "It's your car, bro? That's your car." No, it's not. But I'm home. Cause they trust me. Took my car away from me, man. This is what I gotta use. No cap. Hey, yo! Who driving this boy? Who driving this boy? Who driving this? Bluetooth device not connected. Ooh. Ooh, it's clean in here. Ooh. Oh boy. Man, oh man. It ain't nice. It's big though. I don't like cars this big though. Oh. Yes, guys. Who the fuck uses Samsung anymore? I'm sorry, whoever used this before me, I'm sorry, bro. You're getting deleted. Fuck Samsung. iPhone all day. If you don't realize that, you get what? Just playing. Yeah, let me delete whoever that is. I'm about to add myself on here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to do that later, though. Yeah, man. Look at this. Yeah, ooh! Oh, we're driving. We driving. Uh-oh. I'll get back to y'all. It's like I'm playing a goddamn video game out here, man. All this stuff on here. Luckily, that's not my car. No kid. Shit fire, dude. Shit fire. Hold on, let me do it real quick. Stop playing with the boy, y'all. I really do this. My credit card. Wait, not my credit card. My credit score. 1,000. Stop playing with me. My credit score is 1,000. Like, I really do this. And y'all don't be knowing. Just letting y'all know, man. Oh shit. I thought I left my phone in the car. But it's in my fucking hand. My dumb ass. Man. Time to get back to the room. I'll catch you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe. Oh yeah, smash that like button, boost the algorithm. I'll see y'all later.
I just realized